Hi, welcome to the Aero Workshop. Today, we're going to show you how to clear a jam from your T50ACN electric staple gun and nailer. First, turn the power switch in the back off. And make sure your tool is disconnected from the power supply. Now, turn the tool upside down. Open the magazine with the magazine release lever in the back. If you have staples or nails inside, it may spring open. With this particular model, jam staples may interfere with opening the magazine. You may have to use some force to pull it open if this is the case. Clear all loose staples or nails from the magazine. Now it's time to clear the jam. This can be done with a screwdriver, but we recommend a pair of pliers. The process is the same for both nails and staples. Pry or pull the jam staple out. Now you can close the magazine, making sure it locks in place. Now just plug it back in, turn the tool back on, and now you can get back to work. Thanks for stopping by the Aero Workshop. Be sure to tag Aero Fastener on social media. We'd love to see your next project.